Hello and welcome everyone. So in this video, we will look at another front-end interview problem. So this problem states that we are given an array and we are also given a type of a callback function, and we need to find the elements in this array that matches this callback function result. So let's say we are given an array this and our callback function is this. Then that means we need to find all the elements inside this array whose type is just number. Like if we take this example, there are currently four elements in this array whose type is number, like this one, two, three, and four. The rest is this is a string, this is an object, and this is a string. So we need to find all the elements inside this array. Even if it's a nested array, we need to find all the elements inside an array that has the type number. It can now this callback function can be anything like it can be type of array is equal to number or type of equal to object. It can be anything. In this example, it is number. So let's try to code this up now. Um, we know that we need to return a count at the end. So I'll just create a variable count, initialize it to 0, and then return the count. Now let's try to loop over the array. Since we need to count the elements inside this array, I'll loop over the array. For let I equal to 0, I less than array dot length I plus plus. Now I need to check. I'll check just if the type is array, like if the current element is an array itself. If the current element is an array itself, I will recursively call the function and increment the count. I'll recursively call this function and increment the count here. So this will be array on I and fn. Because if the current element is an array itself, the same operation will follow, the same procedure should follow. So I'll recursively call this function. Else, I will check if the callback function returns true on the current element. If the callback function returns true on the current element, then that means that the element that I am on is a number in this case. So if it returns true, I'll just increment my count by 1. And this is all really. I'll just run this and see if it works. And I can see it is returning 4, which is the correct approach, which should return me 4. Now let's say I just change it to string and rerun this and refresh this. And it is giving me 2 now because there are currently two strings in this. One is foo and the other is bar. So this was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in next one.